Want to build a career in Oracle planning but don't know where to start? Today, I'll show you a simple roadmap that takes you from beginner to expert, step by step. This roadmap gives you a clear learning path. You'll know what to learn first, which skills to build next, and how your career can grow step by step. Start by learning the basics, including planning concepts, forms, dimensions, smart view, workflows, and business rules. A strong foundation makes every next step much easier. Next comes the foundation stage, where you'll learn metadata, dashboards, data management, and begin creating real planning applications instead of only using them. At the practitioner level, you'll start solving business problems through application design, reporting, security, workflows, and automation. Master advanced scripting, performance optimization, enterprise planning models, and application integration to build enterprise-level solutions. At the expert stage, you'll build scalable business solutions, improve performance, and support large enterprise planning environments. The final destination is becoming a solution architect, where you'll lead projects, design planning solutions, and drive business transformation. Every stage builds on the previous one, helping you grow step by step from basics to designing complete enterprise planning solutions. Focus on planning concepts, metadata, dashboards, reporting, security, automation, and performance to become a skilled planning professional. Planning applications work together with finance, workforce, reporting, and analytics systems to support better business decisions. Your career can grow from analyst to consultant, senior consultant, solution architect, and eventually enterprise architect. Industry certifications help validate your skills and increase your confidence in interviews and real-world projects. Practice by building planning models, dashboards, reports, workflow solutions, and real business-style projects. If you want structured learning with practical projects and guided training, explore the learning programs offered by BISP Trainings. Continue learning with BISP Trainings and subscribe to the BISP Solutions YouTube channel for tutorials, demos, and regular learning updates. Thank you for watching.